Is Disney's Yacht Club the most underrated deluxe resort in Disney World? Today we're diving into a full review on why this resort might just be our favorite resort in all of Walt Disney World. Hey there friends, Erica here. Welcome back to our channel. Disney's Yacht Club is mostly known for its feature pool, Stormalong Bay. It's widely considered the best pool in Disney World, and for good reason. But while this mini water park often steals the show, there's so much more to love about this Disney World resort. So, is it worth the price for your crew? Let's set sail and explore Disney's Yacht Club. Disney's Yacht Club is a deluxe category resort located in the EPCOT resort area, just a quick walk from both EPCOT and Hollywood Studios. Its nautical, New England-inspired theme just screams luxury and grandness, surrounding you with deep navy and gold accents throughout the resort. Your kiddos will love pretending to captain the ship and navigating the globe while you explore the lobby. Stunning resort views of Crescent Lake and the Disney Boardwalk? Check. And of course, we can't forget about that iconic Stormalong Bay pool, but more to come on that one in a bit. But first, let's talk about those rooms. Interestingly, for a deluxe resort, Disney's Yacht Club really only has two primary room categories, Resort View and Water View. While a Water View room will give you stunning views of Crescent Lake or Stormalong Bay pool, Resort View rooms may vary and often include views of the resort's rooftops or parking lot. Room rates at Disney's Yacht Club vary, but typically they'll range from $550 to $1,500 per night for a standard Resort View room, all the way up to $2,300 to $4,100 per night for those two-bedroom club-level Water View rooms. We told you, this resort is pricey, so get ready to open up those pocketbooks. All things considered, these rooms are beautifully themed, luxurious, and very functional. Our family of four had little trouble finding storage space, and that under-the-bed storage, a total game changer for storing that oversized luggage. However, we did find ourselves searching for some additional table space. When we did find ourselves eating in our room, which wasn't very often, there was no table. This meant that eating on our beds, not ideal with two boys who often make a mess of their meals. And although there was plenty of storage and enough room for all of us, we found it difficult to find a good place to store our double stroller. Okay, this might surprise many of you, but we think that Yacht Club has some of the most underrated dining in Disney World. This resort doesn't get a lot of love for its dining, but we feel it's some of the best food in Disney World. From steak and seafood at Yachtsman Steakhouse to the delicious New England comfort classics being served at Ale and Compass, there's definitely something delicious for everyone in your crew. If classic steaks and fresh seafood is your thing, Yachtsman Steakhouse is the place to be. They serve up classically grilled steaks, pan-seared chicken, and delicious seafood, paired of course with some delicious sides like mac and cheese. You'll leave wondering, did I just eat the best meal in Disney World? For those looking for some New England comfort food or just those all-American classics, Ale and Compass may just be the spot for you. Our favorites are the Vermont Cheddar Burger and the Fish and Chips, made with house-made vinegar chips. Both are great options for everyone in your group. And of course, if you're looking for something quick and delicious, the Marketplace and Hurricane Hannah's Pool Bar have you covered. We loved the grilled chicken sandwich from Hurricane Hannah's, ordering it multiple times as we relaxed poolside watching our boys playing in the resort's sand bottom pool. Alright, we know you're heading to Disney World mostly to hang out in the parks, but don't sleep on all the fun you can have right here at your resort. Whether it's just a couple hours away from busy EPCOT or Hollywood Studios, or you're planning some full resort days, there are plenty of fun activities for everyone to enjoy. Of course, the biggest draw here is that mini water park, Stormalong Bay, and for good reason. If you've been around our channel, you know we love a good pool day, and it's easy to see why everyone feels that this is Disney World's best pool, featuring a sand bottom pool, a lazy river, and the tallest and longest water slide on Disney World property. There are so many options for your whole family to spend a fun-filled day poolside. Our boys spent hours just splashing around and playing in the sand, which is a great spot for the little kiddos in your group. And the shipwreck water slide? So fun, you guys. It's a little bit of a walk, but it's so worth it. This pool also has a zero-depth sandy beach entry, plenty of seating for everyone in your crew, and great food and drinks over at Hurricane Hannah's. A perfect way to keep your group fed during a fun-filled day at the pool. This pool also hosts other fun activities and games for kids of all ages. Be sure to check out our full Stormalong Bay pool video for more fun in the sun and details on the pool and activities at this resort. In addition to enjoying a day at the pool, this resort also offers some outdoor sports courts, an activity center, and an arcade. For those that enjoy a little fishing, you can take a fishing excursion around Crescent Lake. And don't forget about all the fun and nighttime entertainment over at Disney's Boardwalk. But here's a little secret, you can also catch views of those EPCOT fireworks in the evenings as well. Just another amazing perk for this resort. Okay, one of the biggest perks of this resort is the transportation. or lack of needing any to get around to some of the parks. Yacht Club is one of the few resorts on property that you are within walking distance to two different parks. Guys, being so close to both EPCOT and Hollywood Studios means that you can skip the Disney transportation altogether, and that can mean more time in the parks, and as we know, time is money in Disney World. But if you'd rather save those steps, the resort also has access to the boats, which can take you to Hollywood Studios and EPCOT, and the buses, which will take you to Magic Kingdom and Animal Kingdom. In the end, choosing the right resort always depends on the individual needs of your group. Disney's Yacht Club has great theming, a perfect location, and great dining options. But the biggest pro is the pool, you guys. It's so easy to see why everyone wants to stay at this resort. If you're looking for convenience, resort day fun, and great food, then this resort definitely checks all the boxes. And of course, by staying on property at a deluxe resort, you get all the benefits of early park entry, extra magic hours in the parks, and so much more. Want more info on the pros and cons of Disney's Yacht Club? Head over to our channel and check out our pros and cons video. Now, if you're looking for a resort with more over-the-top Disney theming, then this one probably isn't for you. Also, that price point is pretty steep, even by Disney standards. But don't worry, if you're looking for something a little different or a more budget-friendly option, head over to our channel and check out our content on Animal Kingdom Lodge and Caribbean Beach, two more great options that may just be the perfect fit for you. Well, that wraps up this Disney's Yacht Club full resort overview. We hope this video helped you make the right resort choice for your next trip to Disney World. If it did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of our Disney content, make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye guys!